everyone, how you doing? So you've got this angle again, the fridge angle. Do you like it this way or do you prefer it the other way? This way's just easier for me because then I'm not double doing this thing, like I have to set everything all out and then put it in the away and that. I just do it this way, show you and put it away. So let's open the freezer as well. Not that we'll fit much in this one. So let's start off. We have raspberry sugar free. Put this out here on the shelf. We have Kirk's lemonade sugar free. We have mango, passion fruit, pineapple and apple juice, marked down from $8 to $2.96. But I've got smaller bottles I'm going to put some of this into and I'm going to freeze it. There goes the thing in. Same with the orange juice. This orange juice was $4.90 down to $1.81. I did buy some down there, the Pasito cans as well. Next, I was looking to do a click and collect from Kmart because I needed some things and that, and I decided, you know what, I can't be bothered. The main thing I wanted was some highlighters. Now these are the exact same ones that were at Kmart as what they had at Woolies, and same price, so I just got a pack of those. Next we have some more barbecue shapes. They're 99.5% sugar-free chocolate chip cookies. And we also have these stone-baked low-carb, high-protein pizza bases, marked from $3.50 down to $1.23. There's 6 of them. We bought all 6. So they'll go in the freezer. We figured, why not? We like them. And we're set for pizzas. Next, we have Bugalug's food. And we have, if I can get it out. Oh, hang on, you're going to go for a little ride for a sec. Hope you enjoyed your ride. So there's turkey mince and beef mince. Then we have a receipt. Get it out. It's stuck in the handle. Celery. Mixed leaf lettuce. We have an iceberg lettuce. And we like all the lettuces because there's also a bag of cos here. And we also have some more strawberries. And we also have a heap of packets of these blocks which I've got to post off a whole big parcel this week. Alrighty, last bag has potato salad. We have chemist from the chemist some painkillers because I need them right now. I haven't had these for ages, but I love them. I just love sucking on them. Butter Scotch lollies. I've got more of these because they're so good. I've got 3 apple blackcurrant and 2 tropical. Really nice. I like them. And they're nice frozen too. They say you can have them frozen. So they give you the lines on the back to cut, and you eat them like Aussies. So you eat them like Sunny Boys. You froze them, so you can have them as a drink, as juice, or like an icy pop. So yeah, this one's a bit squished. I had to unsquish the bottom so it'll stand up. So one of those, I'm going to put one of each in the freezer. Oh, shut up. Matthew's dip, which I'm not putting in the fridge at the moment. I haven't put the celery in either because I've got to chop some up for him for work, so I've got to do this quickly. He was sneaking past there. There's another one of those drinks there. They were 5 for $5, those little pouch drinks. And then to use to drink up so I can put the other juice in it, because I like having these small bottles and reusing them. I got an orange juice and an apple blackcurrant, golden circle of course. And I also got one of these as well. And I got bonus rewards points with it, and today's the last day. And that's it. All of that, let's shut the freezer, came to $88.73, and then I spent just under $10 at the chemist. So yes, hopefully that'll do us for a week. Hopefully. I know I say it all the time, but really got to be strict. So yeah, so I'm gonna go, guys. Thanks for watching. I've got to go film my cash stuff in for this week. Thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell, comment down below. Help me get to 200 subscribers by the end of the year. Bye.